If you're looking for a delectable dish that's bursting with flavor, ready your taste buds for this oven-grilled chicken kebab with special seasoning. This recipe doesn't just promise amazing taste, it delivers it with every succulent bite. The key to these savory and tender kebabs lies in the special seasoning, a carefully curated mix of spices that transforms humble chicken pieces into a culinary masterpiece. Here's a step-by-step guide to making these irresistible kebabs. Start by gathering your ingredients: chicken breasts, bell peppers, onions, wooden skewers, and your special seasoning blend. If you don't have a family secret spice blend, don't worry. A perfect mix consists of paprika, cumin, coriander, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a hint of chili powder. Begin by cutting the chicken breasts into bite-sized cubes. Place the chicken pieces in a large mixing bowl and coat them generously with olive oil. Sprinkle the special seasoning evenly over the oiled chicken, ensuring every piece is well covered. Toss the chicken until it is uniformly seasoned and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to absorb the flavors fully. Meanwhile, prepare the wooden skewers by soaking them in water for 10 to 15 minutes to prevent them from burning in the oven. Cut the bell peppers and onions into square pieces to match the size of the chicken cubes. Now the assembly begins. Thread a piece of chicken onto a skewer, followed by a piece of bell pepper, then an onion. Repeat this sequence until the skewer is full, leaving some space at both ends for easy handling. Repeat with remaining ingredients. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and arrange the skewers in a single layer.